Replace manual reconciliation with intelligent payment reconciliation software. Are you still doing payment reconciliation manually in Excel at month end? Most finance teams are. Orders sit in one system, payment gateways in another, bank credits somewhere else, and your team spends days trying to match everything using spreadsheets, emails, and statements. The issue is not the number of transactions. The real issue is trying to manage a multi-channel payment environment with manual reconciliation. Today, businesses collect payments through cards, wallets, UPI, bank transfers, BNPL, and multiple gateways. But reconciliation is still treated like a back-office, month-end task. This is where intelligent payment reconciliation software changes everything. Instead of manually checking transactions, the system automatically matches orders, settlements, gateway fees, refunds, chargebacks, and bank credits in real time. What used to take 10 days at month end can now be done in 1 to 3 days. Accuracy improves to more than 99%. Finance teams stop doing data entry and start focusing only on exceptions. You also get real-time dashboards that show your actual cash position across all payment channels. No waiting for statements, no guessing. And because every match is logged with a clear audit trail, audit preparation becomes much easier. This is exactly what Taxila's automated payment reconciliation software is designed to do. It connects your ERP, banks, and payment gateways into one intelligent system and gives you complete visibility and control over your payment data. If your team is still spending days on manual reconciliation, it's time to move to automation. Book a demo with Taxila and see how you can replace manual reconciliation with intelligent payment reconciliation.